Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this video I want to say a few words about the latest updates of Django Atlantis Dark premium version. The product has been updated to support the latest code-based pattern used in all our Django projects, which uses a teamable UI. Basically, the UI is no longer hard-coded inside the project, so it's usable during the installation. The design is downloaded and installed as an external library. Being a premium design, this installation requires a token in order to access the private repository, and the token is shipped during the purchase. Let's take a look at the live demo of the product. So in my opinion, looks super nice. The product comes with a lot of widgets, a lot of components, and also being the product is discounted and can be found here on the discounts page, and might be a good choice in order to start a super nice styled project with a low budget. Okay, let's go back to the source code. And besides this teamable design that is shipped with the product, now we can deploy this Django codebase using render without much effort, because the product is shipped with continuous integration, continuous deployment flow, which basically is implemented by this two files, this YAML that informs render how to deploy the project, the environment of the project, and also the entry point of the project. And the second file is this build.sh that migrates the database and runs the collect static command, and does the and also perform some super minimal setup. Okay, let's try a deployment on render. Okay, once the project is generated, I will copy the link from GitHub, go to the render dashboard. So basically, render for newcomers is a Heroku-like platform, and is used by AppSeed to automatize all the deployments, because the platform is super nice and also has some decent pricing regarding the features. Okay, let's create a new blueprint. We just need to drop here the URL of the repository. Now render analyzes the repository. I will copy here the name of the service and click apply. So in order to have a successful deployment, we need to export in the application environment the GitHub token. In this case, I will use a temporary GitHub token that will be deleted after the demonstration. As I said before, this token should be exported in the environment. We have here on the README all the instructions. Let me do it. Add environment variable, and this is the value. Save changes, and now we go here and check out the deployment status. Now the sources are downloaded from GitHub, dependencies are compiled, and database is migrated, and soon the project should be live, and we should be able to access the application in the browser. Another cool thing is that the project is, as I said before, comes with a continuous integration mechanism. And once we update this code base, being already linked to render, the application is automatic. The live version of the project is automatically updated. We can check out here that there is an environment linked to the repository, and we can check out directly in GitHub the status. And render now flags the deployment as being active. Let's go back to the render. All looks good, and we can access the application. Okay, by default, the pages are filtered for super users and also for common users. Right now, we are not authenticated. Let's create a new user in order to access the private pages. Yes, I will type here the password in order to reuse it. Okay, the user is created, and we can sign in. So this is the UI. Now the product is live, has the authentication. The UI is usable as libraries, shipped as a library, and in my opinion this product is really good, and we can start amazing projects in Django on top of this simple code base. So guys, thanks for watching. Feel free to access the product page, tell us what you think. We can also we also provide support 24/7 using this email address, and also on Discord where we have more than 1,000 members. So also let us know what other modules should be this product should have, and we will try to provide it. Thanks again for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed, and as always, I wish you all a super day. Bye guys.